so much.
Congratulations, Zayla. That was Zayla, ladies and gentlemen. Wasn't she amazing? Give her a big round of applause. Thank you to Erica and Shai as the backup dancers. Zayla, would you like to take a seat? Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, all our press friends. Magandang gabi po. We want to take a photo of you yata now, Zayla. You want to take a photo of Zayla? Please stand up, Zayla. There. Yes, galing Zayla, thank you so much. Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Welcome dito sa media showcase ni Zayla. Ako po si RS, ako ang inyong host. Along with my beautiful and amazing co-host, Rodel. Palakpakan naman natin itong si Rodel. Thank you, Rodel. Thank you.
Salamat din po.
Salamat at pinaglakan mo ko at tayo lahat ng mga kaibigan at pamilya natin dito sa press. Magandang gabi po sa inyo. Nagustuhan po niyo yung music video?
Yes.
Parang inaantok na, busog na? Busog na?
Malamig kasi.
Malamig. So I'm sure watching the music video and hearing the music of Zayla, maraming tanong lahat ng mga press friends natin.
May magpe-perform pa uli si Zayla.
Yes.
Sa December daw yun.
O yun, baka may question.
Okay, umpisa din natin ang Q&A.
Sige, let's turn on the lights.
Ay magagaling mula sa PEP. Mula sa PEP. Ganun na lang daw. Romel Gonzalez.
Yeah.